Welcome to Rise Again Studio. Let me borrow the famous iconic speech. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come here not to convince you. No, but to state a fact. In the silence before the storm, there's a choice. Fall and stay down, or rise and become unstoppable. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to quit. Every legend was once doubted, dismissed, defeated. But they knew something the world didn't. That true strength isn't born in comfort. It's forged in the fire of failure, tempered by every setback, sharpened by every scar. This is where excuses die and warriors are born. Where your past doesn't define you, your fight does. Where falling isn't failure, staying down is. So when life knocks you down, when the weight feels too heavy, when every voice says, give up, when the world tells you you're not enough, when your body screams stop and your mind whispers quit, this is your moment. You look that moment dead in the eye, and you rise again. Because greatness isn't a destination, it's a decision you make every single day. This is Rise Again Studio. Your story starts now. Let's go. Enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share your story.